akong katon. Wait lang. Hey friends! It's me, Lindsay Garway, Carolyn Frey. So today we're gonna show you my squishies. So it's in here in like a start, and my sister got a surprise! A slime! So I got the green and a pink and a blue, which is a sticker. A sticker doll with a dress. So cute. Here's the. Let's open it, guys. Oh, it's good. Oh, that's crunchy. So bubbly. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to my hand too. Okay. I can't get it out. Oh no. This is weird. Ooh, I think, guys, when you don't play in your slime with the cars, you're gonna stick. Come on. Okay, guys. So don't mind my slime. So first squishy is this really cute purple donut, and these squishies, guys, are really cheap. It's like 50 below. So we got this really cute pink donut, and it has this drizzle on the top. And guys, these are nostralizing because in our place they don't really sell storage squishies. So we got this, and we also got this really cute blue donut. And we have this like a snake. No, it's not a snake. It is. So we also made this really cute panda donut squish. It's kind of donut or a cookie. Then next thing we got this really cute cupcake squishy. Ooh, it's so cute, and it smells real food. So my sister's gonna show you their slime. So I also make DIY squishies just like these, and I also make like Panda Buns, butter, just well. And here's mine. And my pudding. Guys, I'm just gonna fix my hand. And it have a owl, just like a girl or a boy something, and like a green, and they have a flower man, and it's so nice. So that's all for today, guys, and it's just a short video.